Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
We are not unaware of the so-called agreement among the federal government, the Governors Forum, and JUSU on the implementation of financial autonomy for the judiciary and legislative branches across the country. For us, such agreement remains a non-issue, as no one can dictate us how to implement financial autonomy for judicial and legislative branches in a way that is better than what we are already doing. We therefore neither set up any new implementation committee because it is simply unnecessary, nor allow the state judiciary to submit its budget directly to State House of Assembly in breach of the extant fiscal policies and regulations that regulate the state budgeting process. I campaigned. I am the chief executive. I campaigned. The chief didn't campaign. I told the people what our priorities would be. It is only the governor that presents budget to the state assembly. So I will not accept where they will come and tell me that the judiciary should not submit their own budget directly to the state assembly. It is not known. It is not known. As the governor, I will present the budget of the state. No other person has the power to present budget of the state to the state assembly. There's only one chief executive, and that is me today. So I'm the one that will present the budget. So I will not agree for the judiciary to take over the executive function. I will not agree. But for financial autonomy, nobody has business with you. Go ahead. But don't do my own job. You can't present budget to the state assembly. I'm the only one recognized by law to annually present what the state will spend, including that of the judiciary. So, no matter whatever they're promising you in Abuja, let them promise what is implementable. Not to promise you and you come back home. I hear they're waiting for alert. I don't know the alert. Because my own alert, you have operated for several months, so the alert won't come again. So, if not, let nobody say they've not seen alert. The Jesuit people that are here, if you like, close your eyes, block your ears, God will make your ears to open to me. Hear me now. Hear me now. There's no committee I will set. I will not do it. I will not. I only recognize the head of court who will release the funds to the court or to the judiciary. And the judiciary have its own head. How they spend it is not our business. So nobody can tell me that money will go to a committee and that committee will now know how the money for the judiciary is being spent. I mean, it's too bad done anywhere. The federal government cannot use us to be popular before the judiciary. I cannot accept that. I wish to warn therefore that if the son fails to call off the strike this month, then government would have no option but to implement the prevailing law on no work, no pay. So now, don't worry, some of you who are clapping hands, you're part of them. Now, the lawyers is not batting you, you're not clapping hands. In fact, what I will do, I will tell my colleagues how we can even extend. We will not have to extend the strike. If we can go up to 1 year, then we'll see who will lose at the end of the day. You know very well that we cannot be intimidated by anyone on such or any other matter that borders on the collective interest of Rivers State.